and so you guys can see it in real time, like what it changes for me. Picture a little bit past the door. Ready? Fabulous people, I'm Danietta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dietta, where we discuss all things fabulous. On today's video, it's going to be outside of the norm of my normal topics. Today's going to be more of like a techie type of review. I vlog on the Canon G7X Mark II. It does not come with the ability to interchange lenses, and it does not give you a wide angle view. So right now I have my arm stretched out as far as I possibly can so that you guys aren't like up like this in my face. So I was watching YouTube videos over the weekend and I saw that Neewer has an HD wide and macro conversion lens that I saw somebody put on their Canon G7X Mark II, and I am gonna try it. I'm gonna switch to my iPhone to show how I am going to put this onto the G7X that I'm recording on right now and see if it does in fact make a big difference. So I'll be right back, switch, and we're gonna get this put on. Let's see, from a perspective, because I can't get everything in the shot. And so this is just the instruction. I'm thinking this is the modifier that you put around. Yeah. So that is the modifier. This appears to be the lens itself. I'm hesitant to open this because y'all, I swear, like I'm the person that would get a new iPhone, take it out the box. So there, that's the lens. We're gonna put this back. I'm that person that will find a way to be dropping some stuff. You'd be like, how did that even happen? Okay, what else comes in this? Okay, so this is like a travel pouch or a storage pouch, a cleansing cloth. And then it looks like I'm gonna need this to do. So this is the bayonet, and this is the logo face up. And so it says to push this with the on until it is flat. Now I will say with this G7, when you look this up on Amazon, it's gonna say that it's compatible for the Mark III. But the video that I saw, somebody put it on their Mark II, and this is something that she pointed out. This lever right here that determines how your zoom moves, whether it's a click, 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 or if it's a smooth zoom. So even though I'm going to position this with the Neewer logo face up, because of this lever, it's gonna be slightly off center, which I don't mind, that's fine. So I'm going to take my L wrench that came with the kit. Okay. So that is on and that's secure. All right, so I'm comfortable with how tight that is. So you see it's a little off center because I had to line it up with that. So it looks like apparently this came with two lenses. So this is the macro and then this is the wide. So I believe the way to do this is to unscrew. Hold on. The lens cap off. And let's see. Okay, so I'm back on my Canon. I don't have the lens attached right now. It is right here, but I just wanted to show you guys. Let's see. This is more closer to where I was standing originally. I know you can see a little bit. So now I have it. Now I have the Canon on the tripod as opposed to holding it in my hand. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like, and you guys. So remember, you can see a little bit of this, and you can see a little past that door to my right. So I'm gonna put this on, and so you guys can see it in real time, like what it changes for me. Picture a little bit past the door. Ready? It would help if I took the lens off, huh? Let's see. And you're supposed to rotate until you hear a click. Big difference, right? So you can for sure see a lot more of this picture hanging on the wall to my left, and you can see clearly past the door. And that's all I wanted out of this. I didn't want to change the quality. I'm fine with the quality of the G7 Mark II. It does not shoot in 4K, but that's fine with me. My iPhone 13 Pro does, and I just prefer to have my phone free when I'm out and about and trying to vlog, and so that is the whole reason that I got it. So yeah, you can see a lot more than you would otherwise, and so I'm happy with that. Okay, so this is a view of me using the camera outside of my home. So I just wanted to show you guys for some perspective. Let's see if I can take this off. So that is with it off. That is with it on. So you can see clearly on both sides of those trees. Okay, watch again for when I take it off. Notice the tree to what is my left and my right. And now we can't see past the trees a lot at all. One more time. That is with it on. You can see well past both of those trees that are furthest to the left and to the right. And then with it off, you cannot. So I hope that video was useful for you guys so that you could see the difference and why I wanted to add on the lens. And so if you have a Canon G7X Mark II or III and you would like to add on a lens to get you more depth from a width perspective in your images and video that you're capturing, then maybe this will be, you know, something that you could look into without having to like upgrade and get a whole new camera. So as I continue on this journey of vlogging and content creation and I learn things, I'll continue to share them with you guys. But drop me a comment if you guys know any tech equipment that you think that I could benefit from, because all of these things are going to help the content have better and higher quality. And so what you guys are viewing is you're gonna notice that it's gonna continue to go up. So I am going to continue to learn how to use this and enjoy it, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Stay fabulous.